AMT's 1959 Cadillac ambulance. This is the Surf Shark. This is freaking cool. Check this painting out. I just love this painting. Anyways, I'm not here to show you the painting. I'm here to show you the actual AMT 1959 Cadillac ambulance Surf Shark model kit. So, I really like this painting. Obviously, that I said I was going to do it box stock. Then I changed my mind to not do it box stock. And I changed the color of it, and I wish I would have kept it the red. So what did I do? Get that out of here. Look at this bad boy. Alright, so 1959 Cadillac. So, I know this kit's been around. I know there's a current, as I film this, there is a current. What the hell's on the window? A current version of an ambulance. I don't know what that is. Anyways, ambulance version of this. This is also the famous Ghostbuster kit with all the cool ass Ghostbuster accessories on the top. So this is the Surf Shark. So let me talk about it for a second. This is a curb-sized kit. There's no engine in it. It's very simple. The interior is one big tub. Paint it up a little bit. It's kind of hard to see there once you get in there, or once you put the glass on. I did it black with some grays. Camera doesn't really show it at all, but trust me, it's there. So, like I said, I originally wanted to do it red, and I wish I would have did it red, because then I did this weird kind of seafoam green thing. But then the Malibu Beach Rescue decal didn't show up on the side, and I was like, oh, but I really wanted that. The decals were a little, they were good, but they weren't great. You can see right around here, they wanted to start it to splinter a little bit. I did put the white cross logo on the window. I only did that because the Beach Rescue thing didn't come out so well. And then they had some accessory stickers. Figured kind of make it kind of California cool. Man, it's like the glue ran down. I didn't even notice that. Did not notice that. Anyways, decals are the same on both sides. Just did a black wash on the wheels there. Black wash on the grill there. The grill fit in perfectly. The back chrome work here fit in perfectly. The lights up on top are kind of cool. Some ambulance lights. All I did was just took red Sharpie, filled it in. I wish I would have did a better job and maybe masked it off better. So it comes with two surfboards. It's got some options for decals for surfboards. So I painted blue and brown and went to town. And got the nice surfboard racks up here. Those were kind of a pain to put together. So if you want to drive around with it there and put the surfboard there like that. You know, pretty cool car. Like I said, I wish I would have did it in red, but it is what it is. Like I said, this kit could probably be considered a, you know, I don't even want to say to be considered a snap kit because you got to glue the parts in there, but this is super simple kit. Super simple kit. This could be a weekend project for you, or even for a kid. It goes together really well. So again, this is the 1959 AMT Cadillac Ambulance Surf Shark Edition. I enjoyed this. This was a fun build. It was a simple build, fun build. I would love to do another one. In fact, I know in my stash at this moment I have the Ghostbusters 2 one. And like I said, I happen to know that there is an ambulance out. I would like to get it. So I highly recommend kit, everybody. Like I said, probably good for a weekend. Slump buster build. I had a lot of fun with this. So that's all I got on the Surf Shark, because it was fun, and I can't say anything bad about it. Alright, everybody. I appreciate everybody watching my videos. I appreciate everybody watching this video. I appreciate my subscribers. And if you're not subscribed, hey, I got a lot more cool models coming out. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to write me thumbs up. And until the next video, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing. Oh, don't forget to stick around for a slideshow here at the end of the model. Alright, everybody, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope it's a good one. See ya.